Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss with you the project how you are going to make in the file. Project topic you got, that is Martin Luther King. So in that you will make a file. In that first you will put the index. After making the all pages numbering and index, you will put in index, you will give the heading topics what you are writing there, then acknowledgement, then you will start the introduction, the background of Martin Luther King, that from where he came, his family background and all. Research type of thing you can do, that how far Martin Luther King was successful in achievement of his aims through non-violent methods. His methods of struggle you can put. There is a reason for choosing the topic, why you choose the topic, the value of non-violence, the materials and methods you have used for investigation of the project. In fact, you can write the main topics. You can write background of Martin Luther King, his personal background and his involvement in different civil rights movements, explanation of the theme and specific issues in which he was involved, research type of work you can do in that, Martin Luther King's aims, his method in struggle, in movements, those all you have to highlight, movements name you have to write, the various materials, research materials you have used, that you can use, that you can write in bibliography. Conclusion you have to put in, whether in which, how you have done, what you have done in that, what you conclude at the end, with all the stands of the hypothesis, that all the overall project what you have done and what you conclude at the end. And thus these all are the important topics which you have to do. Now in the project, first you are doing the introductory part, that is the background, in which you have to tell about Martin Luther. With A4 size papers are there in the file. You have to paste the pictures of Martin Luther's different backgrounds related to the movements, related to the relevant informations which you are putting in the file. So photos you have to put, pictures you have to upload, and then you have to also, you will use on black and blue pen. You can use black pen for underlining and highlighting the topics like Alabama movement, Montgomery bus boycott. These all are the famous movement. So these, and his speech, I have a dream, these all you can put, explain it. So many more topics are there which you have to do, and we can also discuss these in the live classes if you have any type of queries and doubts. And plus in Martin Luther's topic, you will write about his background, his history, and how he was involved in the movement, and were the movement successful or not. So brief you have to analysis on the movements you will put. And you also his assassination, how he was assassinated, that incident should be highlighted, that should be also be explained. So these are the various topics, and the pages, at least it should be 30 pages you have to do the project, at least 32, 31, 32 pages. It will be, when you will do all these topics slowly, it will be up to 31, 32 pages. So I hope so you all will continue with the project, and topic wise you do it. If any doubts and queries are there, please ask me and clarify. Okay, thank you. And students, in today's class we are going to, as we all have discussed in live class, that today as class video and project discussions we have done, so we will do the revision part, the part which till now we have done, the revision part will do.